Hi everyone, Polly here. Looking for dropshipping tips that can help you consistently make $10,000 a month? This video is for you. I'm going to walk you through 5 genius tips that have helped our clients scale their stores with confidence using Sellvia Ads. This isn't about trial and error. These are proven strategies, real growth stores, and a smart tool that takes care of hard part for you while you focus on building your business. Let's get into it. Tip 1. When you're building a dropshipping store, you need more than just a few random ads. Sellvia Ads is designed to help you grow smart and fast. It doesn't just get your clicks, it helps to improve search rankings, boost your product visibility, and attract high-intent buyers across top platforms like Amazon, TikTok, Google, and more. That means more traffic, more orders, and yes, more profit. When our clients run Sellvia Ads with strong product offerings, consistent budget, they don't just grow, they scale. We've seen stories double, triple, or even quadruple their revenue. Many now consistently bring in over $10,000 every single month, and it all starts with one smart ad strategy. Tip 2. If you want to scale your ads with confidence, you need to understand your numbers, and Sellvia makes that easy. Inside your dashboard, you can track sales from ads, total revenue from your ad campaigns, spend on ads, what you've invested, order volume, how many sales your ads have brought in, profit, your actual earnings after ad spend, ROAS, your return on ad spend, a simple way to see how well your ads are performing. When you see these numbers together, you can make smarter decisions. It's not about guessing. It's about knowing exactly what worked and how much it's earning you. Tip 3. Now let's talk about a number that really matters, ROAS. That stands for return on ad spend. It tells you how much money your ads are making back. Here's the exciting part. With Sellvia Ads, most clients see ROAS of 2 to 4. Yes, you heard it right, up to 4x returns on ad spend. Incredible, right? Tip 4. This is the best part where the most businesses struggle managing and optimizing ads every day. But Sellvia Ads changes the game. Its AI-powered algorithm does the work for you. It picks the best performing listings, shows them to a high-converting audience, and constantly fine-tunes your campaigns to deliver even better results. All you need to do is add quality products and Sellvia handles the rest. This algorithm adapts, learns, and scales, giving you more profit without the headache. Tip 5. Once your ads are working, don't stop. Start scaling, but do it smart. If you're spending $10 a day now, try moving to $15 next week, then maybe $20. Let the system learn, collect more data, and keep improving your results. Sellvia Ads is built to grow with you. The more you give it to work with, the more it brings back. Let's wrap it up. These 5 dropshipping tips are your roadmap to consistent 10K a month. Use Sellvia Ads to attract buyers, track your ad performance right in your dashboard. Let the AI handle the optimization. Scale slowly but steadily. Stay consistent with product selection and your budget. Sellvia Ads isn't just a tool, it's your automated growth system. From fast setup and AI targeting to hands-off fulfillment and multi-platform ads. It's the smartest way to promote your dropshipping store. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always try to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more e-commerce and dropshipping tips every week. See you in the next video.